पाकिस्तान में मारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर इमरान खान जुदी अरेस्ट हुआ है एनखान ओकोई लीड है आइन पार्टी तहरीके इंसाफ ओना लगी कमिटी गठन के दाय इमरान खान तोसाखाना केस इदी कते करप्शन चार्ज लगावा कना इमरान खान चेतान ओना खातिर तेगे जहां दिन ऑक्टो अरेस्ट दाड़ी है और ओना लगी गे कमिटी गठन रेना कथा है मेन केदा बारे जना कथा कना इमरान खान विरुद्ध रे अरेस्ट वारंट हको इशू कदा
which will obviously take decisions once if I'm inside. Although right now there's no reason why I should be inside because I've got bails on all the cases. But you know, right now it's law of the jungle here. I mean, 94 cases. It's every day I move, there's another new case. This assassination attempt on me. So the powerful people are behind it, and you know, I am. My life is even more at threat than it was then. Because these people are worried, all sitting in powerful positions, that if I come back into power, which they know in elections we will win. So they're trying to, you know, make sure that I don't get there.